Ghetto stories. You again. You know, you look like a faggot with your bling bling on your bandana. You think you're tough, girl?
You talking about my bling bling? This is my phone ringing. Wait a second. Where I find it, it's gonna be your end.
I think it's gonna be my end.
Gracia. Hello, Gracia.
What is this bitch? You betrayed me again.
Yes, I'm betraying you, motherfucker.
You betrayed me again, how?
I'm betraying you because I like it.
Dummy as shit with his dummy.
Why are you laughing? Do you want to have sex tonight or no?
Girl, you ain't having shit with him. You got it, girl? You
don't tell him what to do.
Oh, yes, I will tell you what to do. I'm from the ghetto. You don't mess with this shit.
You know what? You know what?
What?
Use your boobies, shoot the fuck out.
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
You shoot my boobies, thank God.
Shoot your boobies.
Thank God, yeah, thank God I still have the receipt for them, hoe. Girl.
Stupid motherfucker. I bring kids to this house. I bring money to this house. I bring food to this motherfucking house.
Why this bitch still on the phone and listening to all y'all shit?
Because we're having sex tonight.
Give me that shit. Girl,
what the fuck are you doing?
Girl, you hearing me, girl? You ain't doing shit with him, you got it? You ain't doing shit with him. I'ma fucking kill your asshole.
Don't listen to him.
Girl,
don't listen to her.
Him? Girl, do I look like a him to you? I got boobies bigger than your balls. Oh, girl. Freaking small dickwad.
So sex in 8 p.m. Yeah?
Shoot my boobies. Girl.
Are we done? Are we having sex tonight or no?
I'ma shoot.
She said of course. I'm out. Oh, my fucking dick. Oh,
how would you have sex with no dick, girl?
Oh,
how would you have sex with no dick?
I gotta go. Oh, my fucking God. Oh, my fucking God.
And this was Ghetto Stories.